In a world where financial freedom is the ultimate dream, have you ever stopped to consider the hidden cost of the tools we use to build it? We all picture a life of comfort, of achieving our goals without worry, a beautiful home, a new car, that dream vacation. But often the path we take towards these dreams is paved with a silent danger, one that can turn our aspirations into a nightmare. That danger is debt, and it's more common and more perilous than you might think. It starts innocently, a simple tool to help us get what we want now, but its true price can be our future peace of mind. Let's pull back the curtain on how easily a dream can become a burden. It often begins with a piece of plastic, the credit card. It feels like free money, a simple tap or swipe for instant gratification. That new gadget, that fancy dinner, those designer clothes, all within reach. But beneath the surface, a trap is being set. Each purchase adds to a balance, and soon you're only paying the minimum. This is where the spiral begins. That minimum payment barely touches the principal amount you owe. The rest is consumed by interest, a relentless force that works against you day and night. The initial cost of your purchase becomes a distant memory as the total amount you owe balloons. Late fees pile on for a single missed payment. Interest rates hike without warning. Suddenly, you're not just paying for what you bought. You're paying a massive premium just to stand still. That small, convenient tool has become a heavy chain, with each swipe adding another link. But credit cards are only one part of the story. For bigger dreams, we turn to bigger instruments, personal loans, car loans, mortgages. These are often presented as necessary steps toward building a life, yet they carry their own profound consequences if not handled with extreme care. The weight of a high-interest loan is more than a number on a statement. It's the constant pressure that dictates your life choices. It's the stress that keeps you awake at night, the anxiety that follows you to work. You might have the car, but you can't afford to go anywhere. You might have the house, but you're constantly worried about making the next payment. This financial burden strains relationships, limits career opportunities, and steals the joy from the very things it was supposed to provide. The dream becomes a prison, and you are its warden, forced to sacrifice your present happiness to pay for the past. Escaping this cycle isn't about magic formulas. It's about building a fortress of financial awareness, brick by brick. The most powerful tool at your disposal is knowledge. It begins with creating a budget, a clear and honest map of where your money comes from and where it goes. This isn't about restriction, it's about control. It's about consciously directing your funds toward what truly matters. By tracking your spending, you can identify leaks and redirect that money toward paying down debt or building savings. Financial awareness is also about pausing before you purchase. Ask yourself, is this a want or a need? Can I truly afford this, or am I borrowing from my future self? Making these small, wise decisions every day is what builds a foundation of stability, transforming you from a passive victim of debt into an active architect of your financial future. So, as you move forward in your journey, remember that the choices you make today will shape your financial reality tomorrow. True wealth isn't measured by what you own, but by the freedom you possess. It's the freedom from stress, from anxiety, and from the heavy chains of debt. Choose to build a life based on responsible decisions, on mindful spending, and on a clear vision for a secure future. Empower yourself with knowledge, practice discipline, and prioritize your peace of mind above all else. Make your financial choices count.